Understanding the phrase, the buzzer sounds. Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to explore the phrase, the buzzer sounds. Whether you're watching a game, participating in a quiz, or just going about your daily life, this phrase can pop up in various contexts. Understanding what it means and how to use it can enhance your English comprehension and communication skills. Let's dive in. The buzzer sounds is a phrase used to indicate that a buzzer, a device that produces a loud noise, is activated or rings. This phrase is commonly used in different scenarios where a signal is necessary to grab attention or indicate that time has expired. The sound of a buzzer is often sharp, loud, and short, designed to be heard over other noises. 1. Sports events. In basketball, football, or other timed sports, the buzzer sounds to signal the end of a quarter, half, or the game. 2. Game shows or quizzes. When a participant has to answer a question within a certain time, the buzzer sounds to indicate that their time is up. 3. Industrial or school settings. In factories or schools, the buzzer sounds to mark the start or end of a period, such as a lunch break or the school day. 4. Safety and security. In security systems, the buzzer sounds to alert people of a breach, fire, or other emergencies. 1. Describing an event. As the clock ticked down, the buzzer sounded, and the game was over. 2. Narrating an action. He answered the question just before the buzzer sounded. 3. Setting a scene. Every morning at 8 a.m., the buzzer sounds to signal the start of the workday in the factory. While the buzzer sounds is a common expression, you might also hear the buzzer goes off implies the buzzer is activated. The buzzer rings focuses on the ringing sound the buzzer makes. The buzzer alarms highlights the buzzer's role in signaling an alert or warning. Understanding the phrase, the buzzer sounds, and its usage in different contexts can significantly enhance your grasp of the English language. It's a phrase that encapsulates urgency, a call to action, or the end of an event. We hope this lesson has been informative and that you're now more comfortable using and understanding this common English expression. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.